Now we have a very nice trunk. Now we want to work on the branch or barks. Okay, we have a trunk. We want to add another branch. As you can see, only one branch created. The first thing is adding the material. We have the materials here. Direct the same materials as the trunk material into this slot. You want the same texture of the trunks. Now select your branch. From here, increase the branch count. Use allow many branch for a start. Here you can select the alignment. For example, you want to randomly align around the trunk, or you can use alternate. This is not useful. Here you can twirl. As you can see, everything looks very good. Also you can use opposite. Nice. Also you can use rolled. The rolled is useful for palm tree models. For this one is not useful. You can use alternate or opposite. The opposite is the best for this tree style. Here you can easily set the position. As you can see here, you can control the position easily. Down, top, left. Just select this and move as you in the curve. Everything looks good. Here is good. Now another important thing is the angle. As you can see, everything is so simple. The angle of the tree. Here you can control the angle. For example, you want to angle to downside. Or you can set the angle to top side. You need to balance the ground angle with the section. This is the force. Add force into your trunk, into your branch. For example, here you can see this add force into your trunk, into your branch. Here you can control the first, how first apply to your branch. As you can see, everything is so easy using curve. You can here reset. Okay. This is the angle and this is the first. This is the overall angle. Okay. Now this is a good thing. You can easily control the length of the branch from here. Nice. Here you can control the radius. The default value is good. You can here press the refresh key every time you like. As you can see, everything so simple. You can control the position from here. Angle, force, radius and length. Nothing more is important. You can also control the filler from here or button. The default value is good and enough. Another important thing is that you can duplicate this branch and direct under it. As you can see, we have now more branch. You can disable to view what is this. I can control the angle and the first. As you can see, everything looks good and beautiful. Here you can control the position, control the how many branch you like. Okay.